So typically the front half of the water pump never comes with a pulley, unless we pay extra for that, I believe. But my pulley looks fine, so we're going to reuse that. I have the new idler pulley, or idler tensioner pulley. That's new. I have the tensioner. That's new as well. So this pin here is compressing the piston right now. Once you take out the pin, it will the piston will come up because of the compression in it, and it will just put pressure on the belt itself. Alright, so typically the water pump pulley doesn't come with the front half of the water pump itself, so you can reuse your pulley if it's still reusable and good condition, which is what I'm doing. And then I replaced the idler pulley for the tensioner. We replaced the tensioner itself as well, the brand new one, and now we're just torquing things down here. Alright, so that's pretty good. As you can see here, mine, when I was trying to take it out, I cracked it, so I ordered a new part for it, which should be somewhere in that package there. This guy here, this is the lower timing gear. You gotta make sure you use the proper tool when you take them out, or else you'll damage them. That's pretty much all the way in. And then let's clean up this pickup ring, I guess. And then we have the lightweight aluminum pulley, which we're going to use here as well. Before we do that, let's install the sensor here. I'm going to clean it before I do anything. And then we're going to get the timing belt. Alright, so I had to fiddle around until I get the timing proper, because I was having issues where once I put the tensioner, it pulls the cams a little bit off. So what I did is I advanced both cams and aligned the crankshaft, and then once the tension applies to it, it lines itself. So that's pretty much it.